Live. Yan. So, wow. Parang, wait. Yan, so pwede na mag-picture, UP Baguio Community. Pero wait lang. Again, on behalf of our administration and of course, yung ating faculty staff and other students, maraming salamat, UP Baguio. And I would like to turn this over now to your USC. Dahil galing pa na sila, Esminat Pabulo. May I call on James? Maraming salamat na lang, UP Baguio! Ayan, so masaya ba ang ating UP Baguio community? Okay. And this has been UP Baguio